Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by evaluating the damage and preparing the surface. Clean thoroughly with soap and water, then wipe with 90% isopropyl alcohol so paint adheres. Sand loose edges with 600-800 grit and remove any rust with a small wire brush. This prevents future lifting. If metal is exposed, apply a thin coat of automotive primer and let it flash dry. Once the primer is tacky, make sure to match the touch-up paint to the manufacturer color code for best blending. You now lay down the color in controlled thin layers so it cures evenly. Using a fine brush or toothpick, place tiny amounts of paint into the chip rather than flooding the area. Multiple thin coats reduce runs and shrinkage. Allow about 10-15 minutes between coats until the fill sits just above the surrounding paint. Once cured, wet sand carefully with 1,000-1,500 grit to level the repair. Then use a rubbing compound to restore gloss and blend the edge into the existing. You finish by sealing and protecting the repair to match the car's sheen. Apply a thin clear coat once the color has fully cured, following product cure times, often 24-48 hours. Then polish gently with a paste polish and finish with wax after about 7 days. This restores depth and protects the repair. If you see lifting or a poor color match, resand the spot lightly to feather the edge, then repeat primer/color/clear in thin layers. This corrects adhesion and blending issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.